In this video, I'm going to show you how to do some day hikes around Blantyre. For more details, check it out. We start with Mt Mpingwe, 1¼ hours to reach the top.
3:30. Took me an hour. And guess what? The clouds are here. It is a nice view at least. Okay, I made it to the top, but the top is just radio towers.
Next is the Way of the Cross loop hike. 2 hours total hiking time. Next up is Soche Peak. 2 hours total hiking time. The summit is a bit exposed and scary. Top of Soche. Now for Bangwe, which has 2 peaks. 3/4 hour to reach the top. This is objective 1 at the cement post, but there is a higher section.
And I'm going to go up there. I think that's the actual summit. I am now, I believe, at the highest point.
And nearby is Malabvi Peak. This is a seldom visited peak. 2¼ hours to reach the top. The summit is marked by a cement column on a boulder. Northeast of Blantyre, we head for Michiru Peak. 2¼ hours to reach the top. And yes, another cement column. Mpemba Peak is harder to reach by car than to actually summit. 3/4 hour to reach the top. The entire summit is cultivated. Ndirande near St. Andrews High School has numerous trails and objectives. 1 hour to reach the top.
I'm going up there. Very windy out here.